In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a member from your Slack workspace step by step. This is something every workspace admin or owner needs to know, especially when team members leave, change roles, or no longer need access to your company's Slack. I'll walk you through the entire process inside Slack, show you where to click, and explain what happens when you deactivate an account so there's no confusion. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software how-to guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Slack homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want to remove the member. It's important to note that only workspace owners and admins have permission to remove or deactivate members. So if you don't see the admin options, you may need to ask an owner to grant you access. Once you're inside your Slack workspace, look at the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over the admin section. When you do this, a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Manage Members. This will take you to the Members Management page, where you can see everyone who currently has access to the workspace, including full members, guests, and admins. On the Manage Members page, scroll or search to find the person you want to remove. You can use the search bar to quickly locate them by name or email, which is especially helpful if you have a large team. Once you find the correct member, look to the right side of their name and click on the three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for that user. From the drop-down menu, click on Deactivate Account. Slack will then show you a confirmation screen explaining what deactivating the account means. This step is important because deactivating a member immediately removes their access to the workspace. They won't be able to log in, send messages, or view channels anymore, but their message history will remain visible to other members. After reviewing the information, click on the Deactivate button to confirm. Once you do this, the member is officially removed from your Slack workspace. The process happens instantly, and you'll see that the user is no longer listed as an active member. And that's it. You've successfully removed a member from your Slack workspace. This is a simple but essential admin task that helps keep your workspace secure and organized. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.